Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and amazing taco. A soft taco with shrimp and chorizo. It doesn't have to be summer to enjoy a delicious tacos made at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. Of course, tortillas, Mexican oregano, black pepper, garlic powder, Himalaya salt or the salt you have at home, tomato, onion, serrano chilies, lemon, cilantro, chorizo, shrimp. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious tacos at home. So you know something? Let's get started. I want to start here first with the chorizo, and this is pork chorizo. I'm going to continue with the shrimp. The shrimp is nice and washed, deveined, and dried. The reason that I dried the shrimp is so that it doesn't release too much water when it's cooking. Look at this. It's a medium shrimp and it's not extra large. If it would be extra large, I would have cut it in a couple pieces each one. But let me start. My pan is nice and hot and I'm going to start adding the chorizo. You want to make sure that you cook your chorizo first because the chorizo is going to release all the delicious flavor and the oils. Once it's nice and pulled apart and well cooked and you start seeing it changing color, that's when you're going to add your shrimp. Look at this. It's releasing all the juice, is releasing the oil. As you remember, I didn't add any oil or lard to this dish because the chorizo usually has enough oils to cook. So that's why I didn't add any oil to this pan. Remember, you have control of how much oil and fat your family is eating. So that's why I'm just cooking the chorizo. It's getting nice and brown. And at this moment, I am ready to add the shrimp. I'm going to go ahead. Look at this. It's nice and crispy from the edges. Now I'm ready to add my shrimp. I'm going to add the shrimp. I'm going to add the spices. I'm going to start with the black pepper, the garlic powder, the salt, and the Mexican oregano. The Mexican oregano, I'm going to put it through my hands and just rub my hands and get out the delicious flavor. Now I am going to incorporate all the shrimp with the chorizo. You know that the shrimp cooks very fast and it really doesn't take too long when it starts turning nice and pink. And when it's nice and pink, that's when you know that this is completely done. My home smells amazing. And you know something? This really comes out delicious. Once you try it, you are going to continue making these delicious tacos at home. And of course, enjoying with your family. I'm going to leave it here. This is completely done. I'm going to turn off the stove. And let me continue with my pico de gallo. Pico de gallo is 2 serrano chilies that I'm going to dice in very small little pieces. If you don't like spicy food, just remove the seeds and remove the vein from the serrano chilies. I'm not doing that because I really love spicy food. Look at this. It's really nice and diced, and I'm just going to transfer it to a plate. I have a onion here, which I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to dice it in very small little pieces and then reserve it. I have my tomato here. I'm not going to take the seeds or the pulp of the tomato. I'm going to leave it just as it is. I'm going to dice it in small little cubes. I have the cilantro here. I'm only removing the edges of the cilantro and then I'm ready to chop very tiny little pieces. Okay, this is completely done. I have 2 lemons here and these are organic lemons. When I say organic, it's because they come from my garden, from my lemon tree. They have no seeds at all. Now I am ready to incorporate the onion, the cilantro, the tomato, the serrano chili. Look at this. Look at these beautiful colors. Once you have everything nice and chopped, well then, let's start adding a little bit of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. You want to add a little bit of salt. You want to add your lemon juice. And I just can't wait to assemble these tacos and enjoy them with my family. Well, here I'm adding the lemon juice. And I'm only adding 2 little lemons. Okay, once this is done, I'm going to incorporate everything, making sure that everything is nice and coated with the lemon and the salt. And this is done. Now I am ready to start warming up my tortillas. My skillet, it's nice and hot, and I'm going to add my 4 tortillas. I'm going to start flipping them until they're real nice, flexible, but I'm going to leave them just a little bit because I want the tortilla to be a little crispy, okay? This is done. Let's make these tacos. I'm going to add the shrimp and the chorizo, my pico de gallo right on the top, and I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in a little bit. This looks amazing. My friends, I am completely done with these delicious shrimp chorizo tacos. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Well, let's see how they came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Delicious, amazing. I hope you guys give it a try and make them at home and enjoy them with your family. It doesn't have to be Taco Tuesday to enjoy a delicious taco. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up,
Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. See you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.